It's Monday morning in Florida, little chilly, but beautiful weather. So we're gonna join some cars and go to a Cars and Coffee. I haven't been to one for a while already. Go see what they have. I gotta show you guys the view of my drive this morning. Check this out.
This life sure has a sense of humor, a funny way of knocking you to the ground. It hits you hard when you least expect it, and laughs the second that you were down. But in that moment when you feel like you're all alone, it's in that moment. I'll be there, right there to take you home. Let's go out and face the sun. Together we feel. Let's go out and face the sun. Let's go. Some days it's not easy to wake up. It's so hard.
All right, we have arrived. It was about a 35-minute drive. Not so bad. Mostly highway. Looking forward to some cool cars. And the drive here was super good. See what they have. Check out this lineup. They have the Bentley, the Saline Dodge. I never seen one of those. I didn't even know they existed. Then you have the Aston Martin. And you have the Lamborghini and the Ferrari. All together, all white. That's crazy. This right here is sweet. Look at that. I love the Italian flag lines.
That is so cool.
They're letting all the big dogs in now. Check out this piece right here. Oh my God. Senna. Eat. Little window. Can't go for a coffee run with this. Look at that massive wing. Oh my God. Guys, check out what's coming in. Oh my God. I didn't know they had this Cars and Coffee like this. Where are all these cars coming from? The C8, looking good. I gotta bring the C8 to Florida. I've seen a couple of Vipers already. Look at that C8. Serant. Ah, the GT3 RS. Look at that. Woo-wee. Heck yeah. And look at the wagon Porsche. Oh my God, wagon Porsche. That looks cool. Ooh, the Lotus. Check out this Lotus. Yeah. Sounds turbo. Ooh, all right. Look, I know some people will like this. The Grand Sport. The Grand Sport. Look at those wheels. All right, so I know some people argue with me about Corvettes not being exotics, but come on, can you look at this and not say that's not exotic? I mean, come on. This will give any of those cars a run for their money. Old school Corvette C3 coming in, convertible, and a couple of Fox bodies back there. I like me some old school cars. And I think back in the distance, I see a red C5. We'll wait for that one. That's a supercharged neon right there. Oh my God, that looks clean. Oh, you heard that? I heard the white. Couple of Fox body Cobras. Clean, clean, clean. What is that right there? It says Colt. Never seen that. I thought it was gonna be a Mazda or something. It says Colt on it. Nice. Very nice. Getting back to this, it's gotta be Japanese. I will see the back and see what kind of badge it has. It says, oh, no badge. Still don't know what it is, so I'm gonna have to wait for it to park and find out what kind of car it is. Okay, I just heard it is a supercharged C5. Look at that. All right, so I'm looking at the front lip and looking at the side skirt. I don't think it's a skirt. It looks clean. Very nice. Man, that looks clean. And it has the stock wheels just painted black with some big tires. Man, I like that tire size. It looks like they're just the Firehawks, just in a bigger size. All right, once it parked, I gotta go check out what tire size those have, because I like how that looks. And I wonder if it's in lowering bolts or coilovers. Looking at how it low it sits, I'm gonna say coilover, but if it's on bolts and just has bigger tires on it, man, I might go with that. That looks cool. Oh, the FD looking good. I'm not a fan of blue, but it's clean. I mean, it's still an FD, so can't hate it. Hear me out. Somebody needs to park a C8 next to these two things and tell me they don't look the same. This thing looks track ready. That is so cool. Check out this orange. Oh my God, that cannot be stock. I've never seen that orange color on a car before. It's gotta be stock though. Is that an SVJ? I don't know my Lambos that well, but man, that is a cool orange. I don't know if I can see it. Check out the STO. Woo. So, looks like that orange on that front lip on the STO matches the orange on this Lambo.
It's less like battery after.
I don't know. Tell me. Woo, I can feel the heat coming out from that exhaust. Exposed engine. Ferrari. I see so many GT3 RSs now. What? They give them out? What the hell? Look at this guy. Look at the size of the wing on this thing. Here we go. Here we go, guys. My phone can't fit the whole wing in the picture. That is wide. What do? Check out the hood louvers and the fender louvers. Look at this S2000. This thing looks track ready too. Huge wing and a roll cage in there. Let's check out the roll cage. Oh yeah, this thing gets some track time. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. All right, guys, we talked to the owner of the Colt, and it's actually a Chrysler or a Dodge Colt. That's what it is, a Dodge Colt. I should have known that. I know Dodge had the hatchback Colt back in the days here, but he said he's had this car for 55 years since new. Oh my God, he completely restored it again. It looks beautiful. Look at that engine and the ITBs. Check out the ITBs on this thing. It says fuel injected now. And ITBs. Yeah, good job. Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah, this thing ain't stock. This thing ain't stock. Look at the rear tires on that thing.
Want to make sure we got Scully's Cafe over there if you guys want
CCO performance. We gotta Google that. Of course, with the Montana tag. Of course. Look at those tires. So you know you got Montana tag, you got those tires, and you have a performance shop on your intake. You know you got something going on. And check out this one. Like that color.
And don't forget, we have our donuts.
When this thing was pulling in, it sounded like a V8. I think this thing has an engine swap. I think it has an engine swap. It did not sound correctly. I like the wheels. I like the wheels. Good job. Tell me something. You see a Cobra kit car like this on the road. You don't get something doesn't run through your body. You know those things sound good. Just sitting there, it sounds good. You know what I mean? Man, I would love to try one of these things. So good. Oh, man, the Viper slam. That's gotta be an airbag, because there's no way he's driving around like that. It's gotta be on airbags. Carbon fiber? Carbon fiber? Carbon fiber? Carbon fiber? I feel like these Ferraris don't get that much love, but man, do they look good. I think the same one that DDE has with the twin turbos. Ooh, look at that thing that just came in. That thing is not stop. And fans of the ZR1, here's one.
Oh, really?
Any of the supercars out here want to take on this? Got a thing about the red Targas Carrera especially. Ah, looks good. That looks so good. And the FD. Looks great. Holy crap, look, this thing is already a white body on the back. They're already making white bodies for the C8s. Look at that thing. Look at the size of that wheel. That is insane. That is crazy. Look at that exhaust. Oh no, you can tell he has some type of headers. Stuck CA in my ass. So, oh, hold on. What kind of gauges you guys here? True boost. No, is this turbo? Man, this could be a turbo. Look at the wheels. Yeah, that's a white body kit. Look, that is a white body kit added to the stock fenders. Look how sexy that looks. That is a beast. So, let me guess. I can't tell because he has Brembo calipers right now, but I wonder if this is like an LT1 and he just went all out with it. I don't know how you can tell. There you go, found them. C8 twin turbo. That's why it looks like that. Jesus, I gotta hear this thing. Is this the Mitsubishi, what, Pajero? No. Yeah, it is the Pajero Mini. 4x4 turbo, 59,000 miles. It was 9,500 for it. And check out this one. Oh, yeah, I would drive that thing. That looks cool. The Honda. See, I like this. Basic, just nice set of wheels. No crazy aero. And just go. I like this. Very nice. Here you go for my Mafia followers. Look at that. That's what you heard. Those are the crazy blue wheels. I don't like how that looks. Green calipers, blue wheels, and a black car. Nope. I disapprove. Okay, the C5 looks like it's an FRC. It may have something in here. I can't tell. I think I've seen this C5 before. With this carbon fiber wide body. Yeah, I've seen it before. I had to stop for a second here. I think this is the new Nissan Sentra. Look at it with the white wheels. I like the fog lamps set up on it and the front lip. I think this is the first one I see like this. Check out the back. He debadged it, but I believe this is the Sentra. Yeah, he already has some work done to it. Looks cool. This is the Saturn that I saw on his way in. So they normally, or not normally, some of them come with the Ecotech supercharger, which looks like this is what this has. So I believe it's factory. They're quick. They're quick. Now I don't know about the wheel setup. He actually added like 1-inch spacers on that thing. I think he shouldn't remove those. But they are wide. He's probably has some clearance issues. I don't know. I will go with something that doesn't stick out so much. The Grand Sport C6 looks clean. Yeah, we saw this one coming in. This one sounded nice. And if I'm not mistaken, it's supercharger. Yeah, you see the supercharger there. Very clean setup. Check out this side. Yeah, that looks almost factory. Very clean setup. Grand Sport, very well done. JDM representing. Let's check this out. Is this a Chaser? I think it is.
Did you ever go down to Westport like back in the day when Aaron was out joining us out? Oh, I got cheap chairs. Look how cool that is.
So this comes with the 2.5 turbo inline 6. Looks like might be all stock. But yeah, that's how they come. They used to be cheap to get, but I bet you they're now super expensive. And look, there is an Altessa here with a Supra engine. That thing ain't stock. Where's your bumper, dude? Where's your bumper? And that's it. It got pretty warm. Let's take my hoodie off. All right, let's head out. See how we can find our way out of here.